If you want to start making money online but don't have any skills or money, these 5 free AI tools can help you get started immediately. The biggest mistake beginners make is thinking they need experience to start making money online. But the reality is AI has made it easier than ever to create content, offer service and build income streams. The key isn't working harder, it's using the right tools. So I'm going to break down 5 tools you can start using today, and how to actually make money with them. The first tool is Chat. This is one of the most powerful tools for beginners because it can write content, generate ideas, create scripts, and even help you build services. For example, you can use it to write social media captions, create blog posts, and generate email campaigns. Then you can take that and sell it as a service. This is how a lot of people are getting started with freelancing. The second tool is Canva. Canva lets you create social media posts, ebooks, templates, and digital products. You don't need design experience. You can use pre-made templates and customize them in minutes. Then you can sell designs, create digital products, or offer content services. This is one of the easiest ways to start making money online visually. The third tool is CapCut. This is what allows you to create videos like the one you're watching right now. You can edit videos, add captions, create faceless content, and post consistently. And the best part is it's completely free. A lot of people are using CapCut to grow YouTube channels, create TikTok content, and build income through content creation. The fourth tool is Google Docs. This might seem simple, but it's extremely powerful. You can use it to create digital products, write guides, build templates, and organize ideas. For example, you can create a simple guide like 7 AI side hustles you can start today, and that alone can be sold, used as a lead magnet, or used to drive traffic to other offers. Simple tools can still make money. The fifth tool is AI voice tools. These allow you to create content without showing your face. You can generate voiceovers, create YouTube videos, and build faceless channels. This is one of the fastest growing ways to make money online right now. You don't need a camera. You don't need to be on screen. You just need a system. Now here's where it all comes together. You don't use these tools separately, you combine them. Example system. Use Chat to write a script. Use CapCut to create a video. Use Canva to design thumbnails or products. Use Google Docs to create a guide. Use AI voice to scale content. That's a full content plus income system. Most people mess this up by trying to use every tool at once, overcomplicating the process, or not taking action. You only need one system to start. If you want a step-by-step breakdown of how to turn these tools into real income, I put everything into a free guide. It's linked in the description. You can use that to get started immediately.